Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video I'm going to try some of the skincare products that I showed in my haul from Beijing and Shanghai, and I'm just going to try it for the first time and talk to you guys through it. I will obviously not be able to use everything, but I'll try some of the skincare stuff and some, like, basically just remove my makeup into skincare using the stuff I picked up. I should start with the All Finish Mascara Cleaner and see if this is a gimmick or not. This is what it looks like. It does not have a wand, just some black liquid or something. Super weird. Let me come closer. It's wet. It's making my lashes better and not removing. Is it even removing? Is it even doing anything? Oh, it's like this oil. This is too slow a process. So basically this is like an oil that breaks down mascara, and I have no idea how long you're supposed to keep this, and I have run out of patience. I think I'm gonna start with the Monster Oil in Cleansing Water. So I'm gonna use that to remove the makeup from my eyes and my lips. So I'm just going to take some cotton pad that came along with the Monster thing, taking a little bit of that. Smells very refreshing. Ooh, it did a great job. Almost everything is off. This cleaner is amazing. It just removed everything. This cleaner is really nice. I'm impressed. And it's super gentle. My eyes are not burning or anything. Using the other side of the cotton. Oh wow, I am actually going to try and use this. I am so excited to try this. This is the Clean It Zero. Does it have, oh, came in with this spatula, so I'm just going to use that. Scoop out a little bit. It has this waxy texture, which I'm sure will melt once I like do this. And it smells like watermelon or aloe vera. I'm confused. It's a very silky consistency. Very silky texture. I went ahead and wet my hands, so now it turned into this milky consistency. And now I think I'm just gonna splash some water. So I just used water, just plain water, to wash my face and used a towel to dry it. And I haven't used face wash, and my face feels super clean, like squeaky clean, and it does not feel like I have like any residue left whatsoever. It feels really clean. I'm actually going to try this range. This is the Pink Vital Water range from Etude House. Just going to take it on a cotton pad. And there's literally nothing on my cotton pad. That makeup remover is amazing. So I'm gonna wait for the toner to kind of set. Okay, so the next step is to use the emulsion. I'm gonna take a little bit on the tip of my hands. This is what it looks like. Very light, very lightweight. I'm gonna use the serum now. Why do I feel like I should have used this before the emulsion? Feels really refreshing. And for the moisturizer, it's water based, so I think it'll be great for my skin. It's super comforting on my skin. Like, I can't explain the feeling. I also wanted to try the sheet mask, but I feel like this routine is more than enough for my skin. So I think I'm gonna stop right here, and yeah, that's it. That's me trying out a new Korean skincare routine, and I hope this is nice. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can also hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.